Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a decorative sign I made for my gazebo. I found this big wood sign at a flea market and I didn't think twice about taking it. I want to transform it into a summery decorative piece for my gazebo using some white and blue fresh paint and maybe personalize it with the name of my house, Villa Honey. First I have to remove all that stain. You will see that this project extended over so many days because I painted multiple layers and I had to let it dry thoroughly. But this is the beauty of an at-home DIY project. You can take your time, do it step by step without hurry, having a great time doing it and feel a sense of accomplishment. DIY projects provide numerous benefits. They make you a better thinker and keep you active. They can also improve your financial status and broaden your social circle. Some of these projects can also help improve the bond you have with your family members and friends. Starting a DIY project is a great way to distract yourself and drown out the noise around you, like stressful news or things simply out of your control. It allows you to focus, plan, work with your hands, and enjoy the empowering feeling of creating something on your own. Making yourself a decorative sign or any other DIY project saves you money, gets you exactly what you want, makes you learn new skills, gives you a sense of achievement. Being engaged in a DIY project can give you a sense of pleasure and satisfaction. Finishing a DIY project can help you feel accomplished and happy with your hard work and dedication, and leave you with something you can be proud to show off. A 2016 study done by Occupational Therapy International showed that participants of the study who took part in creative activities, including DIY projects, felt a boost in mood and happiness. Another benefit DIY projects can have on your mental health is that it helps reduce stress and anxiety. Focusing on a hands-on project can help you disengage from any life stressors you may be facing. Some even consider DIY projects to be meditative. This comes from the similarities people feel between hands-on projects and meditation, such as deep concentration and heightened awareness. Next, I have to clean it thoroughly in order to paint it. DIY projects make you obtain contentment. There is some satisfaction to derive from the work of your hands. Many people tend to enjoy the results more than they would have if they paid someone else to do it for them. The moment you feel the pride, you may extend your work and make it a side hustle. Many people put food on their tables with DIY projects. As you dive deeper into your DIY project, you may turn it into a money-making activity. You can meet people with the same interests and even create a platform to showcase your products and clients can reach you. Most importantly, however, the fulfillment one you can get from handling a DIY project is unmatched. I love this blue summery color. It makes me think about the sea or the ocean. I paint one layer and let it dry for 24 hours. I think this wooden surfboard will look amazing when it will be done. Here I'm painting the second layer. Now it's time to paint 2 layers on the other side. One coat, let it dry for 24 hours, then the second coat. Diving right into a DIY project can provide you with an opportunity to learn a new skill and sharpen your mind. Because DIY projects require you to use your hands, you'll be able to learn new techniques and methods to put something together. This could also help you with future projects, and you can even teach others how to use those skills as well. And if you find that you really enjoyed the activity, you can turn it into a fun hobby or even sell your work. This will be the front of the wooden sign, so I decided to paint one more coat using the roller for a smooth finish. I don't have a Cricut machine or something like that, so I had an inscription done at a store and now I have to place it on my sign and paint the writing. I painted 2 coats with a little brush, let it dry for 24 hours, then paint with a roller for a smooth finish. DIY projects are a great way to spend more time with your family. Kids will not only feel involved, but will also be learning new things as well. And having some helping hands could make the project go more smoothly and will speed up the process to give you a finished product sooner than anticipated. Quite often, families will form strong bonds while working on hands-on projects that you can't get from other activities. My head tells me to stop. Here I freaked out a little bit. I thought that maybe the paint will dry altogether and the next day, when I will remove the things, it will take off all the paint. So I decided to take them off immediately. I struggled a lot because all that fresh paint could go everywhere, so I had to be very careful. I really like the result, and even if it's not perfect, I love it. Now it's time to hang it on the wall. First I measured to place the 2 hooks evenly. Then I placed the hooks. And voila! This is the final result. I love it. Such a fresh, summery, beachy vibe. I think it looks amazing. There's nothing like the feeling you get when you stand back and admire something you made yourself. Please let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite DIY project. I hope you enjoyed my video and I gave you some motivation, inspiration or ideas. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!
Everyone always keep falling in love again.